Hello, my name is Prasad Birari, and today's date is 20 March 2022, and this is the original video. And today's video topic is a linked list in Java. The linked list is a part of the Java collection framework. And this is present in java.util.package. This class is implementation of the linked list data structure. Linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored in a continuous location, and every element is a separated object with a data part and address of this part. The elements are linked list pointers and address. Each element in is known as a node due to the dynamically and easy of the insertion and deletions. They are perfect over the array. It is also have a few disadvantages, like nodes cannot be accessed directly, and need to be start from the head or follow through the link of each node which of this process and to access. The important point about the Java linked list are Java linked list class can be contain duplicate element. Java linked list class contain insertion order. Java linked list are non-synchronized in a class manipulation is fast using the linked list because no shifting needs to occur in a linked list. Java linked list class can be used a list, stack or a queue. Does the linked list work internally? Since the linked list acts as a dynamic array, and we do not have to specify the size while creating in the size of the list automatically increasing with the dynamic add remove items and also the element and sorted to the continuous memories. Therefore we no need to initialize and initializing the linked list. They implemented using double linked list data structure. The main difference between the normal linked list and double linked list is that double linked list contains extra pointers typically called as the previous pointers together the next pointers and data which are stored in a significantly linked list. The constructor in a linked list, in order to create a linked list, we need to create an object. In order to create a linked list, we need to create an object of the linked list, and the linked list class contains the various constructor. This allows the possible creation of the list. The following are the constructor available in a linked list. There follows the first one is the linked list. This constructor is used to create a empty linked list. If we wish to create an empty linked list with name in the, it can be created as linked list square braces equal to new linked list. Second one is a linked list collection C data type. The constructor is used to the order list contains the element of the specific collection as a return type of the collection. Iterator, it wish to create a linked list with a same name but we can create as the linked list, square bracket new linked list, and in a parenthesis we pass the parameter c. This is all about the linked list. Thank you.